Hey everybody, it's Renee here, and today we're going to look at this album I made a while ago, but it is very cool and I'm sure you're going to like it. So let's check it out now. So this is Simple Stories Simple Vintage Farmhouse line, and I made this using the Simple Stories Snap album. I had a lot of fun making this one, and this one is for sale in my Etsy shop and on my Facebook page. So check that out. The links are all down below. And let's have a look. There's lots of elements to this one. Love all the farm, stuff in it. I also added some Echo Park in this one as well. So you will see some Echo Park things as well in this this fun album. Just move this over a shade a bit more. There we go. That's better. So this one has a lot of flips, like most of my Snap albums, and openings. This one actually pulls out, it's in a page protector or pocket page. Some washi, lots of elements to this. This has foam thickers. This one you can put your pictures on. This was some of mine, I put them on the outside because of the width on that. These pull out. These lift. It's a lot of fun, these albums. I love making these. They're so much fun. And hopefully whoever buys it likes it just as much as I enjoy making them. So then this lifts. These both lift, and then so do these. So this is like fun on the farm. This would be a great gift for somebody. These pink tabs pull out. You could remove these and put pictures in them if you wanted to. Here is a belly band, and these all pull out, and you can write different things on or put stuff on them, or just leave them like that. It's totally up to you. This lifts. This pulls out. There's that one. This one lifts, and this one pulls down. This one, these both come out. So this comes out and this comes out. This lifts, and so does this. And again, you can put pictures back here. You can journal for hidden journaling. There's so many options you could do. All three of these tags pull out. This is a trifold. These both lift. And then this pulls out. You could put same thing, some journaling or a picture. And then these, you could put pictures on them as well. So there's that one. Lots of elements. This lifts up and over, and that same as that one. Then you have a waterfall. So there's a waterfall here. You can put pictures underneath. You can journal, whatever you want to do with that. Same thing, you can pull this out of the pocket page and you could put pictures, you could journal, you could do whatever you wanted with that. These all lift out. So you could put something on these little tabs, or and it's almost the full width of the seed package, I guess. Or if you wanted to, you could even put pictures on it. There's that. And then this one has been left blank, so you could put a picture in it. And that's that album. So this was the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Farmhouse line, as well as the Echo Park line. So I have put that one into this using the Snap album, and I hope you enjoyed this. Again, if you're interested in buying it, you can check it out in my Facebook group, which is called Renee's, I believe, scrapbooking and crafting his garage sale, or you can check it out in my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have an awesome day.